Okay, hacking. Alright.
Now, let's get the goods on that experiment. What?
$10,000, that's bullshit.
I see the problem. What? Now even the computers are charging us? That's it. This galaxy blows.
Oh, this is funny.
Experiment number 13. This update is strictly classified. If you're
Watching this, you're fired. If you're watching this, you're fired.
Is entirely docile in nature, even over its provocation failed to incite it. But delayed Dr. Putrid's son observed that natural levels of monster propanase in the experiment's bloodstream were triggering some remarkable changes. Attempts at neutralizing the specimen's violent tendencies were met with limited success. Our surviving staff recommend that the experiment be destroyed immediately at Megacorp's deep space disposal facility.
The computer's log indicates that we were the first to view that recording. So Fizzwidget must not know. We've got to warn him.
Yellow.
Mr. Fizzwidget, you're safe. Sir, brace yourself. We just saw a video of your experiment eating its handlers. I repeat, it eats its handlers.
Ah, yes. Low fat, extra foam, no sprinkles.
Mr. Fizzwidget, do you copy? Anyone handling the experiment must exercise the utmost caution.
No, decapitated. What? Oh, yes. Exercise my frontmost cushion.
Now, sir, your experts recommend that the experiment be liquidated. We will meet you at your deep space disposal facility.
Ah, yes, my cheap date proposal facsimile. It's heavily guarded, so make sure to use the password, which is, Quarktastic. Yes, Guru.
Alright, now we got two places that we can go. The one is an optional planet, and the other one is the real mission. But what I'm going for is this one, because you need something in this place.
Pay for 6 hits and the 7th is free. You want us to what? Whoa, wait a minute. That'd be an unethical conflict of interest. What kind of scum do you think we are? Say, that is a lot of bolts. Well, since you put it that way, I suppose we could undo our previous obligation. Excellent, sir. Thank you for choosing Thugs for Less. Attention all Thugs for Less personnel. We now have a new employer.
Yes, thank you. Planet Juba. What kind of fucking name planet is this? Juba. Oh yeah, there was a escape point if you destroy these 15 boats, I think? I don't know, I can't remember. Okay. Ah! La la la. If you go this way, there's a hoverbike race over here. Yeah, you don't. I'll do one race then. Then I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna get some sleep. Holy shit. Ew, sludge. That guy that got destroyed by that thing. Come on, shoot. There we go. Whoa! Oof. The shield again. Boing. Oh yeah, I so totally won. Oh, my leg. Shit. Well, guys, I'm gonna stop it here, and I will do more tonight. Like tonight, tonight. So I will see you guys later tonight.